Hello?
Hello.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning po. Yan.
Good
Are you are
morning.
you are you calling from the Philippines?
Yeah,
Ah,
Philippines.
Philippines.
Mm.
Sabi mo, hep hep.
Morning.
Yan. What do I call you tonight, ma'am?
Jane din.
Jane din? Anak ng
Yes,
busa.
pareho lang.
Ikaw ba yung nakakabatang Jane o nakakatandang Jane?
Nakakatanda
Yan.
na
Ikaw
Jane.
si tandang Jane ngayon. Sorry, sorry.
Tanda talaga,
Sorry na. Ilan taong ka na?
47. Today, birthday ko.
Yan. Oh, birthday mo ngayon.
Same today.
Happy birthday, Jane.
Thank you.
Ilang ka, ay, taga saan si Jane ngayong gabi?
Montalban.
Ano po?
Montalban.
Ma'am, iluwa nyo
Rizal.
kayong telepono, ma'am.
Montalban Rizal.
Ayan.
Hindi ba ako malinaw?
Naka-headset ka ba?
Kailangan ba naka-anak?
Opo, ano lang po tayo? Handheld lang.
Pangit. Pangit.
Pangit po ako, okay na ba?
Eh,
Yan, better po.
okay.
Are you married? Are you not married? Ano ba? You have a
Not married.
boyfriend? Ano po?
Separated.
Separated.
Single.
So you're single. Okay.
Mm.
Meaning, may anak na po ba?
Yeah.
Ilan na po ang anak?
Isa lang.
Single mom of one.
Mm-mm.
Babae, lalaki?
Girl.
Girl. Ilan taon na?
Ayun na. 18 na.
18 na!
Mm-mm.
Ibig sabihin, 30 ka nung, 29 ko na nagbuntis ka. Tama?
Yeah.
Tama ba ako? O mali?
Tama.
Jane, 47 years old ng Montalban. Okay. Bakit tayo magkausap ngayon?
Gusto ko lang, I just want to know your point of view. Kasi I met this guy.
Nakaka-pressure naman yung I just wanna know your point of view. Sorry pag gano'n kasi pagkaka-frame ng tanong parang nakaka-nervous eh. O sige po. Alright. Sige
No,
po.
kasi I met this guy from, friends of friends na actually, he's in a relationship for a long time, more than 10 years. And
Okay.
then, nag-cheat yung girl.
Okay.
So, parang, we're the same kasi na yung sa akin din is, I've been in a relationship for ganun din, 10 years. And then, nag-cheat din. So, parang, kami, naging, pareho kami, tapos parang, we enjoy each other,
Ano po? We? Ano po? We? Ano? We?
we enjoy each other's
Sorry. Oo. Iba yung, sorry. Sorry ha, iba yung narinig ko eh. Sabi ko, you what each other? What? You enjoy each other.
Each other's company
Wait lang. Okay. Tanong ko sana, how do you enjoy each other? Okay, tapos,
parang through conversation, parang isa kami ng, kasi yung experience and everything. Kaya lang kasi parang ako kasi I'm separated for so long ago. More than 5 years na. That's why I could say that I really move on and I could say that
yung limang
parang,
taon na yun, di ka nagka-boyfriend?
hindi na. Parang,
Naging ano ka na? May mga ganyan eh.
Nag-self-love na ako. Para kasi, di ba?
Ang tagal, kalahating dekada Self sa bagay, no?
First love kasi. So, alam mo yun na parang,
first love.
takot ka rin na baka gano'n naman.
Everybody has a first love. Tapos?
Ganon. Parang nanahimik si Heart.
Okay.
Tapos ngayon parang may nagkakot ng attention mo ngayon. Kaya lang, parang it's too early kasi for him dahil just more than 6 months lang. Although sinasabi niya na parang move on. So,
Alam mo,
kasing,
okay, let me stop you there, Jane.
mm,
Alam mo bang you like the guy?
mm-mm.
Yeah, the way you say it, you like the guy a lot. Nag-kiss na kayo?
Wala pa. Usap lang talaga. Ano, coffee. As in parang
Holding hands.
friends, tropa. Wala parang ano lang, aalalayan ka. Something like that. Parang
Teka lang,
ano,
tinatanong ko, I mean, did, like
Anong
ka ba,
contact?
wait lang, like ka ba niya?
Yeah.
He told you that?
Yeah. And then everyday, call, message, copy, yung gano'n.
Kailan sila naghiwalay ng 10
nag-e-effort.
taon? Kailan sila naghiwalay ng 10 taong jowa niya?
Yun nga, ano pa lang, more than 6 months ago. So parang ang inisip ko, baka rebound lang or baka naman it's because vulnerable lang siya or parang kasi merong isang tao na nakakaintindi sa feelings niya, nakakasagot ng mga questions niya kasi I've been there before him or something like that. So parang sabi ko sa kanya, parang I think it's better na parang ganito, friends lang muna, na parang mag-healed ka muna. Parang, kasi ang hirap, diba? Parang mamaya rebound lang ako or what. So parang I just want to know your point of view. Parang sa guy, and especially I know na talagang super nilove niya yung girl eh. That's why sobrang
Nakakatawa to,
devastated
no?
na siya.
Nagsiselos ka sa ex niya nang hindi naman kayo, no?
Para kasing parang siguro yung sinasabi ko sa kanya na baka hindi naman siya sure sa feelings niya or what.
Oh.
Kasi I could say sure ako eh. So kasi parang move on ka na ba talaga? Kasi 7 months, mayroon bang ganun kabilis? Parang you're in a relationship for more than a decade and yet tingin mo ba move on mo lang in just a month? Parang it takes time, years, di ba? Para totally. Yun, ano sa tingin mo, Papa Jack?
Why do you assume
That's why
that
I call you.
why do you assume that people's timeline are the same as yours?
Hindi naman sa ganun.
You
Parang
just did. You just
is it
did.
really possible ba? No, it's just that I have this doubt lang na parang, talaga ba? Kasi parang, paano na lang kung halimbawa bumalik yun and then you love na love mo na. Tapos parang syempre ako, ever, I'll let you go. Kasi may anak din kasi sila eh. Parang ganun. Parang ako kasi talagang aanin ko lang tayo sa akin. Parang ma-hurt na naman ako. Parang ganun. Kaya parang takot ako sa mugal. Parang ganun. Kasi parang baka mamaya hindi pa talaga siya move on. And yun nga, may possible ba yun? Na ganun kapitas, makaka-move on? Kasi
Yeah.
sa akin, ang tagal.
Ang tanong mo, possible ba? Oh, possible.
Talaga, kayong mga lalaki, may ganun ba talaga?
No, do not generalize. That's not okay.
Anyway,
That's
hindi,
not
sa
okay.
tingin mo ba? Paano yung possible din yun? Ganun.
Why do you have to pattern him to another man? Would you want the same thing to be done to you?
No.
Ba't sila naghiwalay ng babae?
Yun na nga, nag-cheat kasi sa
Niloko
kanya.
siya?
Mm.
Pag ba generalize niya na lahat ng babae manloloko, matutuwa ka ba?
Hindi.
Ba't mo ginagawa?
So, parang trust the feelings, trust the process, gano'n na lang.
You know what? You're overthinking this.
Yun nga.
Yeah. Jane, I do not know whether this is worth it or not. I do not know that. You don't know that.
Mm.
No one knows whether you're going to click, whether you're going to have the chemistry in all aspects. Diba? I don't know if you're religious. I don't know if you're going to have the chemistry spiritually, physically, sexually, mentally. I do not know. If you're going to enjoy each other's wavelength and if, di ba, kung mag-jive kayo doon, I don't know.
Mhm.
Di ba? But you cannot judge him or anybody else in that matter. How well do they move on? Because you're trying to make a pattern. Kasi ikaw, it took you 5 years, no? Kalahating dekada bago ka makamove on. You cannot make yourself as a parameter for other people's way of dealing with their emotion. That's not fair.
And nakakaano ba yun? Parang kung ikaw yung ganyan, sinasabi ko na baka hindi ka pa mag-move on or whatsoever. Na parang nakaka-off din ba yun?
Hindi ko alam kung nakaka-off sa kanya. O
Mapapatrip ka rin ba sa akin?
hindi ko alam kung nakaka-off sa kanya o nasa-challenge siya because some guy would love that. My point is, pero
Okay.
nakaka-hypocrita.
Pero
Here
hindi
you
kasi
are trying
naman siya
to-
kumikabo eh.
And
Pag
here you are,
tinatanong ko siya.
teka lang, here you are trying to profess that you fear that he might not be completely over the girl. Tama?
Yeah.
Pero araw-araw nagre-reply.
Yeah.
Ang galing mo dun sa part na yun, ha? Ang ganda nun.
Hindi, I mean siya. Yung communication namin na parang, hi, good morning, how are you?
Kaya nga eh.
Yung
You
ganun.
are so vocal that, di ba, that he may still be into, your fears, he might still be in dun sa kanyang ex, that there might be a chance na balikan siya at balikan niya yun. Tama? That's your fear.
Di ba
Tama.
baka rebound lang ba ako?
Diba? Pero,
Baka ganun.
yeah, exactly. O, yan. Yan ang fear mo na baka rebound ka. Pero araw-araw ko nagre-reply sa kanya kada BPM kanya. Ha? Paano yun?
Friendship.
Di ba? O, kita mo na, maliban sa plastic ka rin.
Parang gusto ko lang muna siyang damayan, ganun. Kasi,
Tigilan,
alam mo yun,
damayan,
kasi,
tigilan mo
diba?
ako. Complete stranger, damayan. Tigilan.
Oo.
Ako, alam mo, maraming lalaking plastic. Pero ang nagpaumpisa niyan na babae. Yung plastikan. Ang plastic kaya, you like the guy. That's the very reason why you are bothered right now. Otherwise, what's the point? Tama, mali?
Oo.
You like him. You like him a lot, right?
Oo, kasi parang, according din sa mga friends niya, na, alam mo yun,
I don't
mabait
care.
niya,
I don't care about what
Ganun.
his friends said. I don't care. No one cares. Diba? You cannot tell me that because hindi mo rin pinakinggan yun dahil matter of fact, kahit pa sinabi nila, nagre-reply ka pa rin araw-araw. So, kung sabihin sa akin yan. Diba? I don't know. Now, if there are so much red flags, stop replying to him.
Wala naman red flag.
Oh. Wala talaga kasi nagre-reply ka araw-araw eh. Okay, now, you want me to be honest with you?
Sige.
I really think that the problem is not him or a possibility na baka magbalikan sila ng kanyang ex. That's not the problem. Do you want to know what's the problem?
Ano?
The problem is you are too comfortable with the routine and the life that you have and you are so unwilling to compromise that. You are thinking whether he is worth it or not. Yun.
Correct.
Alam mo? Gagawin pa tungkol sa kanya.
Galing mo.
Ang galing ko talaga. Anong oras na ba? 3:46. Tama. Pag 4 p.m., iba na. Mangmang na ako.
Pakinggan eh.
Yun ang problema. Because you are too comfortable with the life that you have. Hindi ka sanay na kinikilig ulit. Hindi mo naiisip ang sarili mo na may kahalikan ka ulit in the next couple of weeks. Di ba, makikipagtalik ka na naman sa panibagong lalaki.
Oh my God.
Natatawa ka, di ba? Pero wag mong sabihin sa akin, hindi mo naisip yan.
Oo nga. Parang,
Tama ka, mali. Naisip mo, di ba?
Oo.
Naisip mo, tama, mali.
Parang
Naisip mo, di ba? Nag-shave ka, di ba? Ay, sorry. Okay. Nag-shave ka, tama ka, mali. Nagpa-labor ka kasi baka mamaya
Lagi
magkabiglaan.
naman kahit na hindi.
Yan, Di mo? Kasi baka magkabiglaan. So, nagpe-prepare ka at the same time na mamlastic ka. Kita mo, natatawa ka. Kita mo, natatawa ka. Malamang nga, bumili ka ng bagong perfume eh.
Eh, hindi, may nagregalo sa akin kahapon.
See, masaya ka kasi sinong gusto mo umamoy sa'yo?
Siya may bigay eh.
Oh, see? Oh. Diba? Nag-prepare ka. Huwag tayo magplastikan dito. Kinikilig ka. You like the guy. Diba?
Okay.
Tingnan mo, nag-prepare ka na. Baka nga bumili ka ng bagong lasensa eh.
Ano na sense? Ano yun?
Yung mamahaling panty.
Yun ba yun? Tagalog ba yun?
Lasenza, yung shop sa mall.
Okay. Brand. Okay, alright. Kala ko, ano Tagalog word? Ay, ang hirap ng love eh. Sugal talaga. Parang, my God. Here we go again.
What do you want to ask me? What do you want to ask me?
Yun lang naman about kung ano. Pero yun nga yun. Tama ka naman doon na ano nga lang siguro. The problem is, yun nga, me. Parang kasi sa love talagang kailangan mo sumugal. If you love someone, part na rin naman talaga yung masasaktan ka. that's the question is I'm willing. Ulit.
God,
Sumugal.
stop it. You're overthinking this. You won't enjoy the process.
Yeah. Ang hirap pag nag-overthink.
Do you know why they call it falling in love?
Mm.
Because it's a point of vulnerability. It's literal. Yung falling in love, literal yun. When you fall, di ba, while you're falling, it's in the hopes that someone catches you. As you fall, you feel vulnerable, in danger, and helpless. Literal to, this is science. The same feeling when you fall in love. Now, when someone catches you as you fall, feels like heaven.
Mm.
It's a feeling of falling in love. I have a quotation na I have a quote na pinasikat ko. You wanna hear it from me?
Sige, ano yan?
Falling in love is like falling in love is like getting into a car with no brakes going downhill. You know you will be hurt, but you will enjoy the ride anyways. That's exactly where you're at right now. You are inside that car.
Yeah. Makes sense.
I know I make sense.
Yeah, kaya nga kita tinawagan kasi pagdating dyan, I know, you always have sense.
Sige. Pahingi akong tuto.
Hindi, bili akong coffee mo
Doon sa naka-flash naman sa
Oo, doon na lang. Ba't kasi wala sa bakit doon lang sa profile mo?
Hindi, nandun yung account na, yung Healthy Jacksons na account na
Oo nga, doon lang. Bakit doon lang? Ba't walang
Kasi nga, hindi ko kayang replyan kayo dahil dito sa account na blow up na to, ang kausap ko yung mga caller na kagaya mo.
Sige.
Kasi
Don't
doon,
worry.
nandun si Ate Nemi, yung business partner ko.
Okay.
Siya yung,
Okay.
kaya ko bang kasi kasuhin yung
Kasi purple
ibubok ko yung kape, iha. Kaya ko bang kasi kasuhin yun?
Hindi naman.
Ang dami kong ginagawa.
Sa Shopee, di ba mas madali? Shopee, pag may mga nasa ganun ka, TikTok.
Naka-down yung Shopee namin. Yung Shopee ko ngayon.
Sabi
Kasi sige lang, bawal pa lang sabihin to. Uy, mababan ako.
Sige. Sorry.
Anyways, let's go back to the topic. Anyways, kailan kayo magkikita?
Mamaya, magde-date kami. Kasi
Magkikita sila man. Sakay mo pa doon.
enjoy muna. Wala, kain lang sa labas.
Anong oras?
The usual.
Anong oras?
Dinner.
Ala, patay mo gabi. This is the moment. Nag-shave ka, no?
Ha? Masakit yung pangako doon.
Tingnan mo. Yung panga mo, in-exercise mo na. Tingnan mo. Nakakatawa, pero ka-plastic ka, kinikilig. Alam mo, I'm old enough to know that what might happen later after the dinner, you have played that scenario and that drama on your head many times over. Tama ko mali?
Tama ka
This is the moment. I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
I'm happy for you. You know why? Because in that 5 years, this is no longer a part of what you want. Tama? Until he came along.
How did you know? Yun yung theme song.
Diba? Listen to yourself. You are, you're so kilig.
Time to be happy again.
Well, it's a risk. It's a risk.
Yeah.
It's not a guarantee, but that's falling in love, taking risk.
Correct.
Anyways, I wish you well. I wish you luck. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Papa Jack.
Bye-bye po.
Okay, bye-bye.
Ah.